Hi, this is CK Sample with the Daily Obsession at Obsessable.com. I'm looking at the Honeywell Professional Weather Station, and this device is basically a weather radio plus full weather station for anyone who is obsessed with the weather and wanting to track everything having to do with the weather. So, unfortunately, I live in an apartment building, and because I live in an apartment building, there are several rules, like I can't attach a bunch of things to the outside of my apartment. And here's some of the things that this device, to work to its fullest, needs attached, and these are all peripherals. And this one is a wind device that you can attach outside your window that tells you both the direction of the wind and the speed that it's blowing. This one actually tells the temperature and humidity information from outside, and then this one stands up. This is the top of it up here, and catches rain and tells how much rain you're having per month, week, whatever. Hear that noise? This is my one gripe about the device. Even when the radio is not turned on it, the speakers are on. And the reason that it's like that is because it actually gets warning, watch, and advisory alerts over the radio. So it's still picking up signal that could turn one of these lights on should we get some sort of alert, a weather situation in the area. If you turn it on, it's an actual weather radio that picks up your local weather. It also has a blue backlight on it. It's pretty cool. If we look at the side over here, there's the AC adapter that I have plugged in, and there's also a USB port where you can plug it in to your computer. And if you have a Windows PC running Windows 98 or newer, you can plug this in, and there's some software that comes with it that'll actually help you track day to day what the weather is like in your specific location. There's a couple of other ports here. Here's a switch to turn alerts on and off, and a external antenna port if you need a better antenna than the included antenna that's up top. Oops, accidentally pushed the button up top. And then over here on the right is the alert out area. And then here's batteries if you want to run battery power rather than via the AC adapter. And here's all the controls for setting up the alarm, a chart, history, memory, channel, set, and up and down. And there's a little bit of awkwardness here when you want to set everything up, and let me just push this to turn on the blue. When you're trying to set your time and everything, you have to be fidgeting with the controls on the back while you're looking at the front, which is a little bit odd. Also here on the back is the light sensor, which determines if it's auto for the blue on the back, or if it's on, or if it's off, and if it's low light it'll be on all the time. And sensitivity high or low for that. And you can also hang this device on the wall. On the top there's the, let's see if we can get a better view of it this way. There's the weather snooze button, which lets you turn on the radio. And there's nothing on the right hand side. So in any case, since I couldn't give this a really thorough review, what we thought we'd do is give this device away to one of you out there who happen to be obsessed with the weather and meteorology. So if you are weather obsessed and you have a Windows PC, please enter the contest to win this Honeywell weather station. And after you win it, we'd love it if you would give us a reader review of the device, and we will post it on Obsessable. This has been CK Sample with the Daily Obsession and Obsessable.com. Cheers.